plates for berth 6. You are cleared.
All right, team, easy now. Take the strain. Keep it steady on the rise. Watch your clearances.
Adjusting now. Hold position.
And we are aligned at 0. Lock it down.
Roger that. Hoist is engaged. Moving up slowly.
Waves with minimal turbulence, as shown by these flow lines.
Torque looks good on this one.
Is stable. Keep monitoring pressure.
Watch your mark on the alignment. We are drifting a few degrees to the east.
I see it. Making adjustments now.
Amounts of load. This overhead perspective reveals the sheer scale of the operation, an intricate dance of man and machine.
Okay, stabilize the inside. I'm putting the torque on now. Just a little more.
Crane 1, slow the ascent.
Copy that. Leveling off at 50 meters.
Clear path to assembly point 4.
Environments and cutting-edge techniques.
Easy now. Bring it down slowly. Watch the left side.
Okay, bring it down 5 more centimeters. Watch the blue line hitting the bolts now.
This golden hour marks a monumental achievement. The superstructure is finally integrated, bringing this epic vision to life.
Check the laser line on your side. Is it plumb?
Looks good. Hold it steady while I secure the top.
Wiring harness alpha is secure.
Good. Good. Let's power up the main control unit and check the pressure.
Watch the left side, easy now. Got it, bring it down slowly.
little more pressure on that corner, gently now.
Got it. Should I measure the next brass point?
A little lower on your side, Maria. Easy now.
Got it, boss. Just holding steady.
How are the temperature controls looking?
Solid. The mahogany is acclimating nicely. Just need to secure this final rack.
The backbone of this vessel's luxury automation relies on a complex fiber optic network, seamlessly integrated into the structure.
Watch the alignment with the lower deck.
Looks good. Bring it down another foot.
Hold it steady right there. All right, secure the bracket. Looks good.
Integrating these commercial-grade appliances requires absolute precision, ensuring the stainless steel aligns perfectly with the mahogany cabinetry.
Easy now, just a little to the left.
Got it. Looks perfect.
Stretching over 70 meters, these masts are the largest single-pull carbon structures ever created for the yachting industry.
Crane, hold position. We have a slight swing to the east.
Copy that. Adjusting tension on line 2.
Aft starboard, you are 2 millimeters off the mark. Adjust slowly.
Copy that. Moving now. Hold position, 10 meters to go.
Clear on the starboard side.
All right, easy now, bring it down slowly. Maintain pressure at 40. Copy that.
The secondary lock is engaged.
We are fully online.
Initiating main power sequence now.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
Deck confirms. Line's clear, Captain. Hoisting main.
Mainsail reaching full hoist.
We're holding steady at 40 knots. The hydrofoils are performing within the projected range.
All green across the board. I'm logging the data set.
Cast off the bowline. Let's make way.
Bowline is clear, Captain. Fair winds.
(127 meters long, 370-meter carbon fiber masts, 300 craftsmen, 1,095 days of construction. 3 years ago, this was just a plan. Today, thanks to the hard work of everyone involved, we celebrate its completion.
We finally did it, didn't we? 3 years well spent. Good work, boss.